Park, Illinois, and next to Shannon Stoltz in the 68 car out of Mechesney Park, Illinois. That's pretty boy, Steven Erickson Jr. As the pace car ducked down, they come! Green flag, and we're racing! Into turn one. Russell with an edge over Evick. Here comes Rude. Russell's off. Evick takes the lead. Rude looking to the outside of Russell. Russell slides up into that outside spot. Rude look to the inside. Rude's going to the inside of Russell Jr. Here comes Rude for second. Whoa, Russell's a little loose all over the place coming out of turn two. And Steven Erickson Jr. tucks it into third. It's Erickson Jr. on the inside of Rude, looking to the inside to take second place as we have a battle for last place between Shannon Stoltz and Todd Bridges. With halfway to go, it's Evink, Rude, Erickson, Russell, Stoltz, and Bridges going around at the halfway point.
Top three in points as well.
Whoa! Shannon Stoltz comes around between 3 and 4. As he's still sitting there, the yellow flag comes out. As Shannon's throwing it in reverse. Getting out of the way.
Got a little too slick, it looked like, over there in 3 and 4. He just, tires kind of slid on him, didn't it?
From the jump to the pool by running.
Okay. All right. I'll give it a shot, though.
Here they come! Green flag, and we're racing.
Evink out front. Watch out for that Pinto and Rude and Erickson Jr. Those top three in points, all right there. Those dogs are fighting. Erickson trying to catch Rude on that inside, but it's tough to do. Evink out front.
Evink's sitting third place in points, so I know every point matters as this points battle continues on the final lap.
He's not won a dash this year here at Rockford. He's got 5 feature wins, 5 qualifies, and 2 heats.
Well, he just won one as the battle for last between Shannon Stoltz and Todd Bridges finishes up. Kelly Evink getting his first dash win in the Miller Lite American Short Tracker division. As now